With the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, the second wave seems to be affecting the children more than the first wave, and we must protect our children. The children are the more vulnerable population as they remain unvaccinated, and children under 2 years, masks are not advised. So, social distancing, no play dates, no playgrounds, and no parties for children. Also, with this, the parents also must adapt to COVID-appropriate behavior. With the increase in the COVID-19 infection in the children with the second wave, we've come to realize that underlying health diseases affect the children in severity and incidence. Children with severe respiratory illnesses such as asthma, obesity, diabetes, and malignancies are few to cite, which increase the incidence of COVID-19 and increase the severity of the disease. During the pandemic, the children must stick to healthy foods. So it is important to have healthy food and easier to remember what needs to be avoided. Remember the acronym JUNCS, JUNCS. J stands for junk food, that is high in fats, saturated and trans fats, increased amounts of salt, fat, sugar in the food, and low amounts of minerals and micronutrients. U stands for ultra processed food. N stands for nutritionally inappropriate food. Food prepared at home also can be nutritionally inappropriate in terms of using recycled oil, increased amounts of fat, salt, and sugar. C stands for carbonated, colored beverages, and S for sweetened sugar beverages. So we must realize that healthy food is the only way out. Vitamins are essential for the immune system, and every child needs to have the vitamins level to the optimal. So there is no specific vitamins that can prevent COVID-19 infection. Vitamin D, vitamin C, and zinc are required in case we come into a situation where the child is positive and the parents are negative. It is extremely difficult to keep the child away from the parents, and it would cause a lot of anxiety in the child and the parents. So either of the parents with the PPE N95 can be with the child, and that parent need not be mixing with the family outside. Remember, in case if the parents are symptomatic whilst being with the child, they must get themselves tested. During the pandemic, many newborns have been born, and babies born to COVID positive mothers, most of the babies have been normal and healthy newborns. As new parents, they are excited to disclose to the friends and relatives of the new enteral at home. To avoid infection in the newborn, physical distance is the only strategy that would prevent it. It means anyone who's not staying at home should not visit her home until the pandemic is resolved. Make use of social media and video platforms to introduce your new child. The caretakers and the siblings in the house should follow frequent hand washing techniques, and especially hand washing and masking when handling the newborn. If in case any of the caretakers or the siblings are symptomatic, immediately they need to be isolated. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.